All right, Mickey D's.
You're shooting the vlog.
Yep.
So the secret to keeping a good weight is to not have these more than twice a week, because fast food obviously is not organic and it's not healthy. Obviously, this is processed. That's processed. You can tell. You could tell because you don't see the trace of the chicken. You don't see
Still good.
you don't see the the traces of where the muscles line up.
Yep.
You could tell that's blended. You see that? You see that? You don't see the little lines go through the little things, so that's processed.
Still good. It's still really good, but today we rate the dollar menu. We will have some more episodes of the Man Cave Chef. And soon enough, we'll have more episodes up. This is just season 1. Get ready, because season 2 is on the way. We're working on that. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy this vlog. We're out. Signing off. Mickey D. Woo!